I'm David Conroy, and I live in South Wimbledon with my wife in an 1880s semi-detached house, which obviously wasn't built for comfort. And as we've grown older, that's become more important to us. And so we decided to replace our windows. And I approached Lendology, and they were most helpful. And their interest rate was really very good. And I could afford it. And I had double glazing on all our windows. I'm now 88 and I'm quite a technophobe. Lendology the team were very helpful indeed, and they suggested a way of compensating for that. Lendology have come to the rescue, and I am most grateful. So thank you very much, Lendology. The difficulty of living in an 1880s house is it gets cold and the bills go up, and as you get older, these things are more. So getting the double glazing, our lives are being made more comfortable, and we're very happy with that. I certainly found Merton Council very happily put me in contact with Lendology, and please contact your council and they'll lead you to someone who can help. Now, every day in the morning, we don't get up and shiver. We just get up and the house is warm. We feel more comfortable during the day. And we know that our bills have actually come down. So go for it.